Hi there, this is Magen Hudak from Steel Hyundai, Nova Scotia's favorite Hyundai store. I am here with a great option for getting around, going on road trips, bringing some gear, taking a trip out to the Cow Bay Moose, going for a drive. This is a wonderful choice. Great on fuel, economic, and very affordably priced. It still has many of the creature comforts as well. Let's take a look at the outside first. We've got rocker panel protection for when you're going on those bumpier roads, maybe you're on a dirt road, something like that. We've got support here as well as around the wheel wells. Very important for preserving your paint, protecting the car from rust. It's an excellent quality to have in a vehicle that lines right over to the mud flaps in the back. Now, you also have an excellent shape as well for seeing all around the vehicle. Looking out, checking over your shoulder, seeing what's going around you or your passengers is very easy in this vehicle. Excellent lines of vision everywhere the way it's designed, which is another super perk. Something else is you could always put roof racks on the top. Imagine taking out a surfboard, coming down, checking out the waves, putting a toolie on top, going camping. There is so much you can do with this wonderful addition to the lineup. Coming around to the back, I'll also show you just how much space you've got in your hatch trunk. Look at that. We've got great space here. We can put our seats down, a 40-60 design, so you can have 2 seats down or just the one, depending on what you need it for. Under here, you've got your spare tire kit and plenty more space. Fabulous. You even have your cargo protect cover right on top if you're looking to keep some things in place. So as we can see, we have the Hyundai Venue 2022 lined up next to a 2014 Accent. Jill, how does it feel inside of the Hyundai Venue?
It feels great.
You into it?
I am. It has a lot of the features I would love to carry over from my car.
As well as
a new bigger screen that I can read my text messages on and will read them to me while I'm driving, which is very important.
wireless Apple CarPlay?
Yeah,
pretty cool.
Very cool.
Big upgrade there. How about the space?
Space is double, very roomy, very comfortable. Nobody's on top of each other in the car. Big space in the back for 3 passengers or 2 car seats.
Yeah.
For those who need, and I am just thrilled with the hatchback. It has a wiper, very important to me. I just don't like having a flat back.
Yeah, no, I get it. You want the room, and you also want to make sure you can clear it.
This is it.
When it's raining or snowing.
Exactly.
Oh, I love these.
Oh yeah, and the mirrors. And there's a light for them too that you can turn on and off. Doesn't turn on automatically, always a choice.
Not lacking in glamour, that's for sure.
No, good lighting.
Utility and glamour.
Always very important. Sleek black interior. Always a joy to have.
And I know you need your heated seats.
I do. We live in Nova Scotia. It's very cold in the winter. It is important to have a heated seat that works very fast and very efficiently.
Perfect. Want to give it for a go?
Let's take it for a spin.
Sounds good.
Does that have a backup camera? Yes, it does.
One of the best backup cameras actually in our lineup. I'm a huge fan of this one. Very clear, straightforward.
Very clear. Got the lines. Very important. Oh, very smooth.
Your poor accent might be getting jealous.
It might be. I can tell it already is. Is it sport shift? Yes, I think. Yeah.